Hello friends, hope you're all staying hydrated. Tap water every 10 minutes. Seems like a good time for folk songs. So here's one written by Bob Dylan in the 60s, redone recently by Mandolin Orange. Check that out on YouTube. And this one I'll call Fishing Boots of Spanish leather. It's a little twist, but mainly just like Bob. Anyway, folk tales and folk songs are kind of fun right now. I'm sailing away, my own true love. Sailing away in the morning. Is it something I can send you from across the sea? From the place where I'll be landing. No, there's nothing you can send my own true love. There's nothing I wish to be owning. Just carry yourself back to me unspoken. From across that lonesome ocean. Oh, but I just saw you, I want something fine. Made of silver or a golden, either from the mountains of Madrid, from the coast of Barcelona. Oh, but if I had the stars from the darkest night and the diamonds from the deepest ocean, I'll save them all for your sweet kiss. So I'm wishing to be owning, I might be gone a long, long time. But it's only that I'm asking, something I can send to remember me by. Make your time more easy passing. How can you ask me again? Well, it only brings me sorrow. Same thing I would want today. Well, I would want again tomorrow. I got a letter on a lonesome day. Well, it was from her ship a-sailing, saying I don't know when I'll be coming back again. It depends on how I'm feeling. You, my love, must think that way. I can tell your mind is roaming. I know your thoughts are not with me. But to the country where you're going, take heed of the western wind. Take heed of stormy weather. Yeah, that's something you can send back to me. Fishing boots of Spanish leather. Stay hydrated, everybody.